All right guys, so today we begin the biggest transformation part of this garage. It's gonna be a little bit dim in here because I had to remove the two ceiling lights just because we're gonna be painting this. So this is all gonna be black. I started over there and I should have waited because I wanna show you guys, but I'm gonna start painting the ceiling black. It's gonna take multiple coats. I can already tell with that first coat, it's light. I can see the white through it, so we're gonna have to do multiple coats, which is gonna take a lot of paint, but I feel like it's gonna look good. So you can see the blue tape all the way around the corner, so I masked it off, get a good crisp line from black ceiling to white wall. I have also put in, it's kind of dark in here, but you see that? The base, right at the bottom of the wall. There we go, so you can see the base. Let's see, come over here and show you. So along that wall there too, and just that base there, follow it all the way around, up the stairs there, and then down the wall there. It just kind of finished it off. So before it looked just like drywall against foundation, just kind of raw. That just tied it in, made it look real nice and clean. So it looks amazing, it looks great. The other piece, oh, this right here. So this is the piece of the textured wall hidden door thing. So this, it's all textured and nice, is gonna be the door for that hidden, the sprinkler system, that little hidden door right there. So I gotta get the hinges on there that click open. That'll be next after I just had a hair up my butt and I needed to start painting. I needed to see a big change. So we're gonna paint. So let's get to it. Pause, break, rest. Oh, like holding up that pole to paint the ceiling it burns the shoulders, but getting quite a bit of it done quick. It's going pretty quick. Like I said before, it'll take multiple coats to get a nice perfect black, but you can kind of see, you can kind of get an idea of how it's gonna look. Well, let me get under it more so you don't see the rest of the white ceiling. Oh, tripping over stuff. Not bad. I think it'll look cool. Remember, a lot of you I'm sure are looking at it and being like, a black ceiling, that's gonna make it look really small and dark and cramped in there. I'm gonna have 80 feet of LED lights on just this side alone. So remember that. This black ceiling is gonna be insignificant once we get the lighting in. So there it is so far. It sucks. I've like painted down below the masking tape here and there, so I'm gonna have to cover that up. Covering black with white is gonna suck. But anyway, I guess I could sand it down a little bit. But yeah, it's looking good. It's going decently quick, so let's keep it going. Hopefully, I wanna get this whole side done, at least one coat today, or tonight. It's night, it's late. But I wanna get this side done, at least one coat, and then I'll move on to the single car garage side. And then we'll just bounce back and forth and do like 2 or 3 coats and move on to the walls. Oh, another thing, when I was caulking the base along the edge, I got a little caulk crazy and I want everything to be super, super clean. So like all this framework from the garage, I caulked the edges because they were just big gaps and everything. So once it's painted, all this stuff is gonna be all painted and clean. It'll be like perfectly white, no gaps, no cracks. Again, this is gonna be an over-the-top bougie garage. So I'm gonna go over the top and make it look nice. So I'm going cult crazy. My fingers got super raw and I couldn't touch anything because they hurt really bad because of the caulking. When you caulk and you like use your finger to kind of smear it and make it smooth, normally it's fine on smooth walls, but the problem with this garage is the people before me textured the walls, so they are textured. When we did repairs, we had to texture it and match it because I didn't want to sand all the walls down to be flat. That would be a pain, and who knows if we could get it perfect. So they remained textured. So while I'm caulking, those little textures are cutting into my finger, so no fun. Anyway, back to painting. Let's get this whole entire 2-car garage size done and see how it looks once we're done. Okay, so now if you look all the way around the edge, even the hatch, it's done. So that was nice and quick, right? If you look close enough, oh, you can see it real well in the camera. You can see the brush marks or the strokes, the roller marks on there. It's fresh mud, it's very porous. It kind of absorbs the paint and the primer very easily. So the first coat of black is obviously going to be not solid. So letting this dry, I'm debating whether I'm going to do another coat tonight. I really want to start masking off the single car garage. So maybe it's a smaller area and it's a lot lower, so it won't burn my shoulders. Maybe we'll just do the single car garage and just get the whole thing done so we can at least see what it looks like, because we have a decision we need to make. So behind me, if you can see it, you can, there's that little like step up from the single car garage to the double car that goes all the way over into the corner, and then it drops down right there. There's like a small accent wall. Do we leave it white or do we paint it black? So do we have like an accent wall? So yes, it won't have anything breaking up the two ceilings, so it'd be like black, 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 but over there, we would have an accent wall. So a black accent wall. Or do we keep it white? Because if we keep it white, it'll have a break right there. It'll just be white right along that edge before it goes to the other ceiling that's black. So what do you guys think? I'm gonna just paint, let's just paint the single car garage black. Let's do the first coat on the single car garage, and then we'll look at it. So we'll look to see if we like that white where it kind of breaks up the black and gives it a little contrast, or if we feel like we should extend that black down. So let's get started on the single car. And just like that, it's done. It's amazing how quick painting goes when you're watching a video versus actually doing it. So there you have it. It is black, and it is very dark in here. But don't forget, I still have to put all the lighting in. So yes, right now it looks darker, but it's gonna be very well illuminated. Oh, which by the way, the 2 lights that were here, I put up there in the attic. So it's not this dark, scary, gloomy place for monsters. It's actually super, super bright up there now. But what do you guys think? So single car garage, double car garage, it's done. And what I was talking about was this line right here. And then this wall that goes down, block that light. So that wall that's in the corner. Do we keep it white like that and kind of break up the 2 black ceilings? Or do we have an accent wall that's black, and it combines the two ceilings. Something to think about. But anyway, that's it for today. Got a lot done. See, I like this part because you can see the difference. It's a big change. Yes, there's gonna be more coats going on it because you can see all the roller marks, which sucks, but another day spent and I'll probably have that fully done. And then after that, it's the exciting part with the lights. So the one that I'm excited about is right here for the single car garage, that honeycomb lighting. We have to piece it together kind of like a puzzle, but that's gonna look so good. I can't wait to see it up there. Anyway, that's it for today. That's the update on the garage build. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you have any ideas or if you've noticed anything I'm doing wrong so I can go back and fix it before it's too late. I will see you guys in the next one. Chris is coming over tomorrow. We are planning on doing probably a body kit reveal for the S2000. So stick around for that. That should be posted pretty quick. It's been hard for him to get over here lately because he's got a new job. So he's been working a lot of hours, but he promised me tomorrow he'll be here. So body kit reveal tomorrow. I will see you then.